Today, we're creating a space loop animation where everything keeps moving and never stops. We start by creating one light streak. It is made of 3 capsules stacked together. The middle one is bright, and the top and bottom are faded, so the streak looks glowing instead of flat. To give it depth, we tilt the whole shape using rotation 3D effect on the x-axis. This makes it feel like it exists in space, not on the screen. And we animate the movement. We start with scale effect set to 0, so the streak looks very far away. Then we scale it up, which makes it feel like it is coming toward us. At the same time, we animate offset on Y. It starts lower and moves upward and out of the screen. Scale and offset together create the forward motion effect. We then add rotation effect. This lets each streak move in a different direction, so later we can fill the whole screen. Finally, we start the animation in On Appear by toggling Show, but we only have one streak. To turn this into a real space effect, we need to keep generating streaks in a loop, and that's what the next functions do. This function creates a loop that keeps running. Every small time interval, it calls spawn1. This is how we continuously create new light streaks instead of adding them all at once. Therefore, spawn1 creates one new light streak. First, we limit how many streaks can exist so the app stays fast. Then, we generate random values for color, scale, offset, and rotation. After that, we add the streak to the screen. Finally, we remove it after a fixed lifetime so it doesn't stay forever. We use this to control timing. It lets us delay actions without blocking the UI. We use it once to spawn streaks over time, and again to remove them after their lifetime ends. This function generates a random bright color. We randomize the hue, but keep saturation and brightness high. That way, every streak looks colorful and vivid, not dark or washed out. Here we place the 3D object in the center of the scene. We already built this in a previous tutorial. And one more thing. If you like this animation, you should watch this next.